welcome to my channel, guys. And today we're going to take a look at the few of the brand new Cydia tweaks that just got dropped today, and they're brand new, and I installed on my iPhone, and they're working just fine, no problem, no issue. And also I just want to mention, if you're running the Unc0ver, Odyssey, Taurine Jailbreak, or the Taurine Jailbreak, these Cydia tweaks will work on the all of these platform, all the jailbreaks that you are running on. You don't have to worry about if it will run. You can install and make it work on the Taurine or the Taurine or the Unc0ver jailbreak. These tweaks are made for every single jailbreak that we have available right now. So now before I jump into these Cydia tweaks, and before I show you guys step by step everything about these Cydia tweaks, all I ask you guys to please subscribe to my channel, and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video like this. Now that's out of the way, let's get this video started and let me show you guys. And like always, we're gonna go into the Cydia, and once you go to Cydia and go into the search bar and search for these Cydia tweaks, but what I'm going to do, I'm gonna go into install recent, and the first Cydia tweak we are going to take a look at is the one, as you guys can see right here. It's called one. It's number one, and then spell the one, O-N-E and V-N, as you guys can see right here. This is the name for this tweak, and all you have to do, install. And once you install this Cydia tweak, just go into your setting application, and from setting go to tweak section, and it's going to be right on the top, as you guys can see right here. And once we open up, and as you guys can see, this is the interface. This is really nice, really clean interface for this Cydia tweak. And we're gonna start with the right here, animation right here. This is where you want to start. And once we click on that, as you guys can see, the first option is to enable fast animation, Arabic and info button. So you flip that on, and as you guys can see, imported to know in the tweak the lower the percentage, the highest the speed. So now you can do the speed up speed up inside the app only. You can use this grabber right here. You can set it whatever the speed you like. So what I do, I'm just gonna set it to 15 or 15, and then right here, speed up notification and banner, we're gonna set that. So this is the this grabber is for the speed up, and then this grabber right here speed up the springboard only. So we're gonna set that to, let's do 15, same as the top one. And then you got the speed up notification and banner, we're gonna set at the same 15. Now the next section is the enable slow animation. So you can flip this, and then you have the slow down inside the app only, or you can do the slow down notification and banner, and then you got the so these three grabbers, you can set that, and I'm gonna leave it at default. And next option is to no flying for apps and icons. You can decide you want to set that or for that or not. And then no animation when unlock, passcode keypad reveal, you can turn that on. and then you got the no animation open folder, and then you got the no battery animation on. And you can uh, turn these switch on or leave it off. I'm gonna leave it off, like as they are. Now the next section we're gonna go into is the app switcher, and as you guys can see right here, you have the switcher normal size. You can flip that, and sometimes you need to respring 2 times after applying size. So now probably you the first time you respring, it probably not going to take effect, but you have to do respring your device twice for this to able to take effect. So now the next option is grid style, like iPad. You can turn this on. So as you guys can see, I left the switcher normal size off, but I switch the grid style like iPad on, and there's the example right here. So you can set so whatever you guys like. So the first one right here, or you can do this, you can do that, or you can do this. So I have set it to this one right here. And then next is the show status bar in the switcher. Then you got the add animation zoom in, and then you got the add animation zoom in. So now next one is the hide title, and now next option is to I left the hide title off, and then you got the switcher title color, so I turn that on, and then once you turn that on, and then you have the color picker right here, you can pick the color that what you like, set that color, and then move to the next one, apps name changer. Now you can flip that on, and then your text, so you can add any text you like. So I'm gonna do this will respring your device. So basically just do that. So I'm just gonna do let's see, what should I do? Cut that. So for some reason my keyboard, there you go. So we're gonna do good. So now that word right there, and then you got the hide icon and title. You can turn that on. I'm gonna leave it as is. Remove background blur, you can turn that switch on, and then you got the switcher background control and colors, and then you got the your color. You can pick the color by this color picker. We're gonna do blue, and then we're gonna go to the next one. As you guys can see, kill all apps by swiping down, so you can turn that on, or don't get out from music, so you can turn this on. So once you kill all the switcher app from the app switcher, and this option will keep your music running even you kill all apps. And then that's all for this app switcher. Then you got the dock, and just like that you have so many options for your dock. And also the one thing from here I want to mention, you guys can set all the setting that I have set right here. But one thing I want to show you guys right here, choose an image. So now once you click on this option right here, you will have the option access to your photo library, and then you can choose whatever the image you want to put as a background of your dock. And I have one picture I will show you guys in a second, but these are all the options that you can mess with. And then next one is the home screen. You have all these options to choose from and change the colors, change the badge numbers, and all that good stuff. So as you guys can see right here, so you can pick any setting that you want, and then once you do, just go back and then go into the hide stuff. So once you go into hide stuff, as you guys can see, I didn't even enable it. So from here, all you have to do is hit enable, and then you have all these options. You can hide anything from here. So as you guys can see, hide separator lines, hide cellular bars from status bar. So there's so much option to configure from right here. And then next one is the folder, as you guys can see right here. And with the default, it's going to be going to look like this. So first thing, you're gonna turn this on, and then you can choose the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the corners, reduce, and then you have all these other settings that you can choose from, and it's really awesome, and you can make your dock folder look really awesome. And now the next one we're going to take a look at is the home screen right here. As you guys can see, you have so much option for your home screen as well. Now the home screen, we went through the folder. Now then you got the music player. Now with the music player, as you guys can see, once you enable this tweak, and then you have the size lower is smaller, and change the Y X position, and then you have the change the Y position. So you can change the positions of your now playing on your lock screen. So this is something really awesome. And then you can set the Apple here. Then the next option we have is for the keyboard, and as you guys can see, if we the first option is to normal keyboard color, and then or you can do soft keyboard colors, and we're gonna flip this one right here, and then we're gonna go back, and then the next one is lock screen. Once we click on this, as you guys can see, we have so much option to choose from for that lock screen as well. So every section you go in, you have so many options to configure from, so many options to choose from. And I'm gonna change this to left, and I'll show you guys once I respring device. I will show you guys all the changes. And then we go into the others. Now once we go into others, you can you have the LS camera need face ID, and then you got the double tap to home bar. So as you guys can see, explain to you the 2 tab on the home bar, and iPhone will lock. And then you have the Wi-Fi info, then you have the hide home bar, or home hide the page dots, and then hide the widget names. So there's so many things that you can hide or make visible. So as you guys can see, that this is one of the options I love in this tweak, the auto unlock. So auto unlock with face ID without use touch. So now the next one we're going to take a look at is really awesome too, random colors. So as you guys can see right here, random colors is basically able icon label, able icon label borders. So there's so many options, and I turn on every single one of them, and this is the best one right here. All system random colors. So basically this will apply to your apps or Facebook, Instagram, FB Messenger, WhatsApp, Viber, Twitter, Discord, phone app, photo app, settings, and all system apps, and many more apps. So any app that you're running on your phone, this will apply the random colors every time you're going to open the application, or every time you're going to open anything on your phone. It will change the color to it. So as you guys can see right here, keyboard random colors. So I'm going to turn this on off, because earlier I couldn't see anything on my keyboard, because I have another tweak running and it's kind of interfering with that. So, and then you have the soft keyboard random. I'm going to turn this off, and the glowing keyboard, I'm going to turn this one off as well, because it's, for some reason, it's not working with my other tweak that I'm using on my phone. So now that's believe that's end of this all the section. Now here the last step you want to do is save changes right on the top. So if we click on that, it will respring your device, and once it respring, once the device come back, and we will take a look at it. Now as you guys can see, if I go back into the setting, and there you go. So now as you guys can see, everything have different color, different look, and that's what it does. And now what I'm going to do, if I pull down the spotlight, and now if I start typing, now as you guys can see, my keyboard is not getting like one solid color, because like I say, I'm using another tweak that was interfering with this one. And also as we can see in the spotlight, every app, the name is colorized, and also it got the background color, and also the text color changed too. And this is really awesome. And also if I go into the Cydia, as you guys can see, the loader is changed, and if we look at in the bottom tab, the Cydia sources, changes, install, and search, the color have been changed. If I go into changes, as you guys can see, there's different colors. It's not black and white. You get the colorful text in the Cydia as well. If I go right here, as you guys can see, individual sources, the color is different. On the top, as you guys can see, the green background. So as system wide, you get change on. And also just want to mention, as you guys can see, the TikTok application, there is the there's a 3 batch which is gone now, but there was a different color. And also, now let me show you guys my dock. As you guys can see, this is my dock, and as you guys can see, it's it got the background. And if I swipe up to enable the library, now as you guys can see, there is a picture right here, right there. So I have to adjust the picture, because I've messed with this tweak a little bit, and then I start recording the video. So I'm still learning. I'm still trying to figure out all the different settings, but I just want to make a video and bring it out to you guys, so you guys can install it and start customize your device the way you guys want. Now that's been said, I just want to mention, if you guys have any question or concern, please let me know in the comments below, and I will get back to you guys as soon as possible. And now we're going to jump into the next Cydia tweak, which is going to be Apple Watch call notification. So this is the tweak right here, Apple Watch call notification. So basically this tweak, you don't have any option to configure from. You don't have to do anything. All you have to do install this, and this will fix call notification not working on Apple watch after CarPlay is connected. So as you guys can see right here, read through this description. On iOS 14.4.2 there is a bug where as soon as the phone connected to CarPlay, the Apple Watch will stop notifying all the calls. This was fixed in iOS 14.5. On debugging, I found that restoring calls served after this happened fixed the issue. So this tweak basically capture the CarPlay disconnect event and then safely kick start. Call server served open source, and then as you guys can see right here, the version is 1.0 and it was updated May 17, 2021. It is free to download and free to use, and it is comparable with the iOS 14-14.4.2. So I think that was a really important. I know there's a lot of people who are having a problem when they connect to the CarPlay, and a lot of people ask me in the messages, in the comments, and here it is. And I just want to throw this in this video, and also I want to say this again. Once you download this, and I don't want you guys to be looking in the setting or anything. There's nothing you guys have to do. Only one step you guys have to do: install this tweak, and it will take care of the problem. If it don't, all I want you guys to just respring your device, and once you guys respring, and then reconnect to your car via CarPlay, and it should fix that problem. And I know if it did fix for me, and I hope it will work for you guys too. And at this point, that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video like this. Now that's been said, once again, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.